This is my original miter saw stand, 3/4 inch square tubing. It just has a 1/2 inch plywood top, has wood fences, has the wheels, has a power coming in here with a little controller that you plug your miter saw into the tool part and your shop vac into this bottom plug, and when you pull the trigger, it starts the shop vac. And then the shop vac delays for a little bit after you've turned off the saw. So this is the old one. It's seen a lot of use. It's got a pencil sharpener that's pretty dilapidated. It wasn't a very good pencil sharpener. And here come the guys back up to go to work. So, thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.